Good morning everyone. Today we will learn birds and animals. First, its hen. She lives in house and yard. These birds are pigeons. They live in Venice. They are Venetian. They eat only bread and corn. These animals are horses. They live in the yard. They eat only grass. They are very loyal animals. These animals are lions. They live in African savanna. They eat only meat. They are predator and brutal animals. These animals are wolves. They live in forests. They eat only meat. They are predator. This bird is peacock. He lives in India. He eats only corn and bread. This animal is crocodile. He lives in Nile River. He eats only meat. He is predator and brutal animal. This bird is swallow. He lives in house and street. He eats only insects. This bird is eagle. He lives in mountains. He eats only meat. He is predator bird. These birds are penguins. They live in Antarctica and African coast. They eat only fish. They cannot fly. This animal is giraffe. He lives in Africa. He eats only grass. He is the very longest animal in the land. These animals are sheep. They live in the yard. They eat only grass. These animals are elephants. They live in African savanna. They eat only grass. They are biggest animal in the world. These animals are zebras. They live in African savanna. They eat only grass. They are black and white animals. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.